Hey friends, and welcome back to another details. So we just thought we'll go through our Explorers room at Disneyland Paris. So it's one of the partner hotels, which is about a 20-25 minute walk from the park. So there's a free shuttle, but we're just going to show you the room. Gemma is starting to unpack at the moment. So let me flip it around to see Gem there. Say hi, Gem.
Hi, Gem.
Right, so start off with the door. Let's have a look. So we're in 8725. The corridor's got these cool ships and rocks and sharks and sea on there. But inside the room then, we've got an anchor on the door as well. As soon as you come in on the right, you got this friendly little bird on a perch, which comes nicely to the clothes rail, which is pretty cool. You got spare pillows here and additional blankets as well. You got a safe there, which is actually held together with duct tape, so I'm not going to use that. There you go. We got instructions on there. When we did come in the room, all these lights were off when we clicked it on, so it's very dark when these aren't on. Got a nice little fan up there as well. But it's a nice looking room, nice big sofa, which turns into a sofa bed, I believe, Jem?
It does, yes.
It does, yeah. And you've got a coffee table there. Let's have a look at these plugs. So we got a European plug there, and then a USB-A and a USB-C. Nice, nice, nice there. So we'll come back to those in a moment. So over here, got the telephone there, got a bedside table, got another European socket there, another one there, and then another two USBs there, which is good. And then that's quite a nice size bed, really, isn't it? Mm. So they've only got two pillows there.
They've advertised it as a double, but
no, that looks more like a king. Yeah, that does look like a king, doesn't it?
Definitely.
But
oh, I just can't wait to be king.
All right, Charles. It feels quite firm, but we shall see. Yeah, so we got another European socket and more USBs there. Got these curtains. Let's have a look at our view. It's gone dark now, so can't quite see much. Some woodlands there. Right, over here we have the mirror. Got another European socket there. A couple of teas and coffees. What is this? Hot chocolate, maybe? I can't read French.
Yeah.
Who knows what that is?
They do look like,
it looks like coffee.
Ducks.
It feels like coffee. Yeah, but it feels like coffee, so it might be coffee.
Okay, maybe.
I'll put it on the screen what that translation is there. But got a nice mirror there. The bins here. Quite a small kettle, which is all you need for in a room, really. But it's unusual to see one that size. Oh, they got a European. They got a UK plug. Look.
Yeah, I didn't bring any UK plugs.
So, well, I have, don't worry. I got two Europeans there. Any more sockets in there? Nope. Gemma's unloading the snack corner. Got a nice little TV there, and then a chiller there. Gem said it's not very cold, but we shall see what it's like with our
It does light
drinks.
up when it opens, so it is plugged in.
Okay, right. So then in here we have a split bathroom. So this is the toilet. I love this little porthole here, and it is literally just the toilet. Now these were set up to the wrong way around. I like them this way, and so I had to turn it around. But yeah, flush there, and that's literally all is in this room. So we could turn that light out now. And then the bathroom, again, you got a nice porthole there, nice big mirror, hey. And then you got the bath and shower in here. Also a clothesline, which is across there, some towels, and then the curtain rail. It's a hair and body shell, just the one. There's no soap or anything here, it's just that one. You got more towels down below, more towels there. We've already used that towel on the wall. Another bin, so got some more paper cups here. And then the hairdryer from the 70s. So, I'll be catching some ghosts with that, I think. There's the rail there, and the rail on the back. Oh no, but we've got some more rails there above a heater. Oh, down there, nice heater there. So You can dry off your towels on there. Oh, hello there.
Hi.
Towels. You can't take these towels, can you, to the swimming pool?
No, so they've got an indoor swimming pool here. You either have to take your own swimming towels, or you can hire them from the hotel. I believe they're around €1 to €3 per towel. It's just a small nominal value.
Yeah. So, there we go. That is the room there. We are going to unpack some things. And yeah, we'll let you know how it all is sleeping-wise in our vlogs. So you would have already known how we slept. So make sure to check those videos out there. We are going to be doing a walk around as well of the venue if we can. If we got time to do it, so hopefully that will be coming out. If not, I'll just do like what I did with Hotel B&B and just do bits and pieces and chuck up some pictures if I don't have footage from it and just talk about this hotel. But overall, first impressions of the room?
Yeah, it's fairly decent.
Fairly decent. So yeah, we're quite hungry now, so we're gonna go and grab some food. But don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell, setting it to all. Also join our membership as well, so you can see videos like this as soon as they are ready to go out. Thanks very much again, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.